It's Packaging Nigeria News Time. Hello and welcome to Nigeria Packaging Web Television. I am Sherifat Oswala. On the headlines, Nigerian government moves to ban alcohol in sachets and small bottles. GBFOODS relaunches BAMA products in Nigeria, complete state-of-the-art production factory. International Finance Corporation supports Nigeria's plastics packaging and recycling industries. On the foreign scene, Dow Chemical appoints ADWOA COLEMAN as Ghana's country manager. NESTLE SA increases stake in Nigerian subsidiary. HEINEKEN acquires additional shares in Nigerian breweries. An event, TARSUS Group to hold virtual label summit from September 28 to October 2nd. The news will come in details after this commercial break. Please stay with us. You're welcome back. The Nigerian government has begun moves to end the packaging and selling of alcohol in sachets and small bottles in the country. The Director General of the National Agency for Food and Drugs Administration and Control, Professor Mojisola Adegeye, who disclosed this, said the packaging had led to the abuse of substance and alcohol, stating that no new products in sachet or small bottles above 30% alcohol by volume will be registered by NAFDAC. Meanwhile, leading mayonnaise brand from the portfolio of GBFOODS Nigeria, BAMA Mayonnaise, has completed its state-of-the-art production factory in Songo, Ogun State. The factory, which has successfully rolled out its first batch of products to the Nigerian market, will support the manufacturing of original recipe BAMA mayonnaise for Nigeria and West Africa. In addition to the new factory, the company also unveiled a new packaging design featuring a quality stamp to help consumers identify and purchase original BAMA products. In another development, the International Finance Corporation has announced a $39 million financing package to build a continuous polymerization PET resin plant in Ogun State to strengthen Nigeria's recycling and manufacturing sectors. The plant would source more than 20% of its raw materials from local waste plastics, hence helping to reduce plastic waste in the environment. On this development, Alexander Gendes, the managing director of NG Manufacturing Limited, the company which the funding will be released to, said it will help grow the country's packaging for drinking water, beverages and pharmaceutical industries. We'll be right back after this short break.
Christmas, my Maggie gave to me
12 spicy suya, 11 rishi,
10 wraps of my mind, 9 for the road,
8 pesa funkwabi, 7 pepper soups, 6 sizzling snails, 5 fried fish,
4 cocoa bangos, 3 party jollof, 2 giz dodo, and 4 with a goosey.
Reason to season with Maggie. Cook the difference.
A very good day to you all. As many of you know, we at Fairtrade stand for more than 30 years of experience in organizing leading agro-food and plus-print packed trade shows in the Maghreb and in West and East Africa. Virtual for all Africa? How does it work, Paul?
Well, virtual is very simple and it works on any device. The good thing is that you can reach all of Africa with just one event, saving you time and money.
Welcome back. On the foreign scene, Dow Chemical Company has appointed ADWOA COLEMAN as the new country manager for Ghana. This means that ADWOA, who also doubles as Africa's sustainability and advocacy manager, is now responsible for overseeing all of Dow's operations in Ghana.
So my name is ADWOA COLEMAN. I work in the sustainability space for Dow, specifically around our packaging and specialty plastics portfolio. My background is in chemical engineering, and I've worked for Dow for the past 6 years in West Africa, in Southern Africa, and now covering all of Africa for my role as well. Prior to, I've done a short assignment in Brazil as well for Dow, and I'm currently based in Johannesburg, South Africa.
With Dow, ADWOA has held the roles of remediation specialist, product safety and compliance specialist, among others, across the United States, Brazil, Ghana, and Johannesburg.
We think that plastic, after its first life, should be viewed as a resource and should come back into the economy. So our whole strategy around dealing with this issue of plastic and plastic waste revolves around a circular economy and ensuring that plastic does not go to waste.
Still in the news, world's largest food company, Nestle SA, has acquired more stake in its Nigerian subsidiary, Nestle Nigeria PLC, purchasing additional 636,384 units worth $1.9 million. This was disclosed by the company in a notification sent to the Nigerian Stock Exchange. In the same vein, Dutch multinational brewing company Heineken International has increased its stake in Nigerian breweries, acquiring 3.3 million additional shares. The acquisition was according to the company's notification to the Nigerian Stock Exchange, made on the boards over 3 transactions in September. This is the second time in a span of 2 months that Heineken is purchasing more shares of the Nigerian subsidiary Nigerian Breweries. On events, organizer of Label Expo Global Series, TARSUS Group, has opened attendee registration and confirmed the full program of its first ever virtual label summit, which has been scheduled to hold from September 28 to October 2nd, 2020. The 5-day event, designed around 5 key themes, will, according to organizers, feature a host of high-profile speakers and equip attendees with up-to-date knowledge on the industry's most pressing topics and generally help keep the global label and packaging printing industry connected.
To say there has never been a year like this one would be an understatement. The world has changed for all of us in ways beyond our imagination. But what hasn't changed is what drives our dynamic industry: people. People collaborating, innovating, and motivating others to create something truly incredible.
Rounding off, here is a recap of the headlines. Nigerian government moves to ban alcohol in sachets and small bottles. GBFOODS relaunches BAMA products in Nigeria, complete state-of-the-art production factory. International Finance Corporation supports Nigeria's plastic packaging and recycling industries. On the foreign scene, Dow Chemical appoints ADWOA COLEMAN as Ghana's country manager. Nestle SA increases stake in Nigerian subsidiary. Heineken acquires additional shares in Nigerian breweries. On events, TARSUS Group to hold virtual label summit from September 28 to October 2nd. And that's it on this edition of Packaging News. Please stay safe. Have a good day. I am Sherry Pat Ushuala. Thanks for watching.